I'd like to focus on property investors and commercial to residential conversions. These conversions may involve a retail unit or a mill or an old office block that's been converted into a number of flats. Prior to getting into the nitty-gritty of utility installations, we'd like to highlight that there are a number of administrative elements that need to be dealt with as you procure the building and prepare for the utility works to be completed. On each conversion project, you will be responsible for the meter point administration. You need to understand what a meter point reference number is, a meter point administration number, and where to find your water meter serial number. This information is important for several reasons, the main one being that you're going to be responsible for the bill. When you take on that building, you must complete a change of tenancy with the energy suppliers. If you don't complete that change of tenancy, there's a risk of you picking up any debt that's on that meter, as the bills will come to you. They may not be addressed to you, but they'll come to you. When you complete the change of tenancy, you close that debt down. You basically give a meter reading that allows you to move forward and pay for the energy that you're using.